Hey guys, so today we are going to do a challenge with so he gets to choose which brawler I play with, and I get to choose the map, and I'm going to choose this map for now. Good enough, but I think this is not so good. Mystic Touch. I think Mystic Touch is also. I'll go with Dark Fantasies with Carl because I don't know, I like it. And it's my friend Magical Gaming. He gets to choose the brawler, and I get to choose which map we play in. But the twist is, I can only lose 2 times. He can lose as many times. I can only lose 2 times. And if I win continuously 7 times, if I win 7 times, I win the game. I win the challenge. So let's start. It's gonna be really hard because there are some reasons for that. Because he gets more advantage than anybody else does, and that's gonna be a really good game. That's gonna be a good game changer. I'm just gonna pick up this box without anybody knowing. Why did I take the fire trail? The flying could be better, but let's just get on with it. I could not have done anything. I found my total target. Come on. Just you can't come here. Can't come here. And if you can, oh no. I should have taken flying hook because of this situation. I'm just running away. Okay, come on. Thanks, Penny. Bot Penny, I say. And here you go. Okay, that's taken. That's the thing that's taken care of. Yep. That was the best way to run away. Let's roam at the corners. Come on. Let's go. No. It's gonna be a really mess. It's gonna be a mess now. I can't lose this one. There are 2 Pams. They have a good healing source. I can't just do anything. The big problem is that. And that Pam's aiming for mine. My area. Why? But why? Okay, I'm breaking their healing sources. And I know one Pam's in the bush. But that who got killed? And this bot A6 is mine. You're mine! Let's go! 1 out of 7 taken. And now let me just which brawler should I pick, because he can only give me 1 brawler at each time, and I'm just gonna switch the map to. Wait, let me just think. Let me just dynamite. Okay, so I think it's gonna be good in knockouts. Really good at knockouts. Let's go, Gold Amgard. Yeah, it's gonna be really good in that. No teleports, just. No, you're not in my team. Swap side, swap here. Okay, if he tells me to play Poco, I'm gonna go back here. And I'm gonna Scotch. Wait, let me see. I'll just choose Risky Cliffs. I kind of don't know why, but yeah. I need to choose a brawler according to which map it is good at. Why did I make the same mistake that I made before? Oh, Bele. I don't want to take the risk against a Bele. Bele is gonna be a big problem. No, Edgar! It should not have been Edgar. should just spectate him now. But why? He just died out of the smoke. Okay, it's flinching. I'm just getting. Okay, I can't get ready. I don't know why. Oh. Poco's so bad until according to me. Can't just spectate him. He's and next brawler. Let me just. Okay, next brawler, please. He's flinching. I'm just gonna leave it and I'm gonna go to Mr. Arddev, asked to join. He allows me. Okay, now I'm gonna. Which brawler should I pick? Just give it out. I'll just spam it out. Which brawler? Yeah. One and okay. One loss left. Which brawler should I pick? Tick. Okay. Tick. And I'm gonna choose a good map for Tick, and that would be a knockout map. And that's gonna be Goldam Gulch. That's what I want. Goldam Gulch. Goldam Gulch. Goldam Gulch. I'm telling you, Goldam Gulch. Yep. And that's what I want. Get ready. Wanna be a big problem. He's just playing with Daryl. But Bo, if you place a super totem, is gonna be great. Am I lagging? I'm lagging. Totally, I'm lagging. But doesn't matter. Oh. I've lost the challenge. Now I'm gonna challenge him for a second challenge. I don't know if he accepts it, but I don't know what should I have done. Oh, I have 2 rounds left, right? And I need to win both of them, and that's almost impossible now. Oh, what? What? That bot is a master. The bot is a master. I'm saying that bot is a master. Oh, the Daryl, he's gonna stay here, here. Or here, or here, here, or here. Is it gonna be here, 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 here? Oh frick! Last hurrah. Oh no! Don't search there! Don't dare! What the? These are total bots, I'm telling. These are total bots. What do you mean? It's the last thing. I'm a camper. These like were so dumb bots. Like I say, no. Last hora is with me, and another. Last hora, come on. Let's go. Thanks. Now let's do which brawler should I pick? Oh, that super and that last one was so useful at the end moment. I kind of don't know why, but yeah. Which brawler should I pick? Okay, which brawler should I play? Frank. Okay, big problem, but I don't like Frank that much, and it's hard for me to play with him. I'm not a Frank over here, not a Frank here. I think I'll play it in Dark Fantasies. Yeah, no, but yeah, I wanna play it here solo. I'm gonna suggest him. And okay, Dark Fantasy solo. Come on. Okay. I don't like Frank. I don't know if this is gonna be a game changer for me or not. Oh. I'm gonna be safe from any other brawler, and I'm not gonna bush camp in this video, or am I? Crucial, really crucial. Giving me more than 10,000 health. Yep, 10,000 health. Bot 3. No, I need to watch out. Frick. And I'm gonna go to there. No. It's game over for me. I should actually have chosen like something called gem grab or something, but game over for me. And today there's going to be 2 videos, and that's game over. Let's see who won. Okay. Now that's the end of the video. Bye. Meet you in the next video.